Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League with your friends. First, launch the game and head to the main menu. From there, you will want to select the Play option. Next, choose either Private Match or Exhibition to set up your game. Creating a private match allows you to control who joins. You'll need to set a unique name and a password for your match. Remember to share these details with your friends so they can join you easily. To join a friend's game, start by selecting Play from the main menu, just like before. Then, navigate to Private Match and choose the Join Private Match option. This is where you'll need the specific match name and password your friend shared with you. Carefully type in both pieces of information. Once entered correctly, confirm your selection, and you'll be transported directly into their game lobby, ready to play. Rocket League also offers a convenient in-game party system for grouping up. You can invite friends directly from your platform's friend list, making it super simple to form a team. A fantastic feature is Rocket League's robust cross-platform play. This means if you're on one console and your friend is on another, you can still play together without any issues. Just send an invite, and they can join your party seamlessly. Once you're all together, explore the wide array of game modes available. You can choose classics like soccer, or try out hoops for basketball-style action, or even snow day for a hockey twist. Don't forget to customize your match settings, including fun mutators and your preferred arena. You can also adjust team sizes, from intense 1-versus-1 duels to chaotic 4-versus-4 matches. Have fun experimenting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.